Welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I made, of course, not one, not two, but three turtleneck tops in the easiest way, just in the way that like it won't be too much of a thing to just think about. So if you want to see how I do it, just keep watching.
We're working with this white turtleneck that I already own. So I just want to see how big I'm going to need to cut the first blocks. So here they are. So make sure everything is flat, then just place the turtleneck right on top. So now just trace out the bodies. Make sure you follow the seams. Just try and take your time so you can get it correct. Okay, introducing my plant. I'm just using it to support the fabric so it doesn't move. My beautiful fabrics. So this is totally optional, but I'm going to be just cutting out a little strip of fabric to add to the side. It's just a cute little thing I saw online, so I'm just trying to try it out, but it's totally optional. Like, it's totally optional. I'll be taking the measurement of the neck. I'll start with the width, then I'll go on with the length. So the width is for 47 inches, so it's gonna have to be 14 inches because it's on a fold. Which is 2 inches, so just measure 4 inches because that's also on a fold. I'm just marking that it's the neck so I don't get confused. So the same thing for the sleeves. Just place the sleeve fabric. So just make sure it's on the fold, yeah, because we need it to be like the same shape. So I'm just gonna place it. So I want it to be a bit bigger because of that style I'm trying to do. But if you're not doing the style, just measure it out directly. Also, second sleeve. Like the fabrics are so much, but they're beautiful. So we're gonna start with placing the fabric blocks and attaching that side cut that I was talking about, which is totally optional. Trim everything off because it wasn't the correct measurement anyway, so just trim it off the excess. So now I'm just going to attach the sleeve. First I'm going to have to find the midpoint of the sleeve, and I'm going to use a pin to identify that point. So I'll just match that where the pin is with the shoulder seam. So now this is the tricky part. First, start by lining the sleeve together. That's the first part. So I'm just going to fold together and pin. So it's after you already pinned the sleeves, that's how you're going to now find the part of the bodice that you're going to need to continue sewing, and the rest you're going to cut it off. Just pay attention and watch what I'm doing. So I'm just marking where I'm going to cut off from. So now I'm just gonna pin. This will now be the side seam, so I'm just gonna pin it together. It's gonna give it a beautiful little shape when it's done. So you can easily just like skip this part really, because it was a whole drag for me. Also this is how it's looking. Yeah, but it came out pretty nice, really. So next, just finish it off with a zigzag stitch. Yay, all are sewn. So what's left now is the neck. We have to attach the neck. So the first thing is to sew it down. Yes. And just trim off the excess. So now watch what I'm gonna do. Put it together and then flip, just like this. So this is now what we're going to connect to the neck. So I'm going to find the 4 points. So I'm going to find the up, the down, and the 2 sides, so that it will be easier for me to attach them to the bodies, just like this. So also find those points on the shirt too. You know, the shoulders already serve as the side point, so I'm just going to get the front and the back. I'm just going to use the pen to identify. Now just pin the back to the back, the side to the side, you know, the front to the front. It's so much easier that way. Almost done.
This one is so nice. It's kind of okay. You can see. So cute. So it came out so well. I think this should be my favorite. Like, I love it. So beautiful. So you can see they came out so beautiful. Thank you for watching. Like this video. Also leave me the thoughts in the comment section. Also let me know which fabric you like best.